Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to sell products using affiliate marketing and what you should not do. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to sell products using affiliate marketing. So, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, or maybe you're just having trouble making sales, these tips might help you out and show you some mistakes that you're making. So before I get into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just jump right into this video. Okay, so if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, maybe you just found an affiliate program that you can get started with and you can start promoting any kind of products that you want as an affiliate. What you're going to want to do is find a target audience. So this is going to be a specific group that you're going to be focusing on. So if you're just promoting your product to anybody and everybody, you're going to have a hard time getting people interested in what you have to offer. So let's say that you pick something that's related to maybe the dating and relationship niche. If you're targeting anybody, maybe people who are not interested in dating or relationships, if you're targeting people who are interested in gaming or people who are trying to lose weight, you're not going to see very many results like that. So you have to find your audience. If people are interested in dating and they're having trouble with relationships, you have to figure out where your audience is hanging out on the internet. So you have to ask yourself, what blogs are they visiting? What websites are they going to? What videos on YouTube are they watching? So once you find where your target audience is hanging out at, the next thing that you need to do is deliver value. So delivering value can be different for a number of people depending on what niche that you're focusing on. So delivering value can be one thing for one niche and it can be something else for a different niche. So let's say, for example, that if you're focusing on the health and fitness niche, delivering value can be showing somebody a few exercises that they can do to start losing weight. If you're in the make money online niche, delivering value can be showing somebody a few different programs or a few different methods that they can use to earn money online. Now, one mistake that most people make when they're first getting started with affiliate marketing is that they don't deliver any value whatsoever. All they do is just promote their affiliate link, they put it out there, and they hope somebody clicks on their link and they purchase that product that they're promoting. So you have to make sure that you're delivering value to your target audience. So delivering value means that you would need to create content. Now, content can be in many forms. It can be in written format, it can be in audio format, or video format. So it really doesn't matter. There's not really one that's better than the other. It depends on what you're most comfortable with. If you're not good at writing, maybe you might want to try audio format or video format. If you're not good at being on camera, I recommend using some other method like written format, writing a blog, or being on audio format like a podcast. Now, another way that you can sell products using affiliate marketing is you need to have congruency. So this is going to be more for people who are creating landing pages for their affiliate offer. So let's say, for example, I'm in the weight loss niche and I create a landing page that is going to be about a weight loss supplement. So I can have a headline that says, learn how to lose 10 pounds in 10 days, which is not realistic, but let's just say for the example of this video, that's the product that I'm going to be promoting. So if somebody sees that landing page and they enter in their email, they click that button that's going to take them to the next page. And that next page says something completely different, like learn how you can build 5 pounds of muscle in a month. That's not going to be congruent, and that's not what the person originally signed up for. So this is a big mistake that most people who are using affiliate marketing make because their message isn't congruent with the message on the last page, which is going to be the sales page. So let's say, for example, this is going to be our landing page, this is going to be our bridge page, and this is going to be our sales page. So if you have a message that says lose weight right here on page number 1, and then on page number 2 you have another message that says gain 10 pounds of muscle. And then maybe somebody gets to the sales page and this message is completely different from these two messages. It can be something like, I don't know, vegan recipes. Which is going to help them lose weight, but they're not trying to become a vegan. They're trying to lose, maybe in this page you said lose 10 pounds in maybe without giving up your favorite foods. So if you're not having a congruent message all through the process of them going through your sales funnel, you're going to have a hard time of people actually buying your product that you're promoting to them. Okay, so the last tip that I wanted to share with you guys is to set up an autoresponder. Now, I mean, this should be common sense. If you're going to be going with affiliate marketing and you're trying to create an income that's going to build a full-time income for you, but most people who are just kind of dabbling with affiliate marketing, they don't take the time or they don't want to invest that money into an autoresponder service. Some people, they just try affiliate marketing and then they think to themselves, when I start seeing money coming in, then I'll invest some money into it. But it doesn't really work that way because, I mean, people need to build up trust with you before they're willing to buy a product. You can just promote an affiliate link all over the internet, and most likely people aren't going to click on that and buy the product that you're promoting. They first need to be able to trust you before they're willing to make a buying decision. Now, what an autoresponder does is it helps you build trust with your audience through a sequence of emails. So this is a mistake that most people do when they're getting started with affiliate marketing. Let's say right here, this is your landing page, and then you take them straight to the sales page. So I'm going to put LP for landing page and then sales page right here, SP. So what you're doing is you're just directly sending people to the affiliate product, but you should always create a bridge page so people can know who you are, and then when they enter in their email, now they're going to be added onto your email list. So they're going to be receiving your autoresponder emails after they sign up and enter in their email. So if somebody comes directly from the landing page to the sales page, you're not capturing their information. You're just referring somebody to a sales page without delivering any value or without you introducing yourself or building up any trust. So let me give you guys a quick example of how powerful an autoresponder sequence can be when it comes to making more sales using affiliate marketing. So if you take the time to invest into an autoresponder sequence, somebody comes to your landing page and they enter in their email, they're going to now receive your automated emails. So this is email 1, email 2, day 1. So what you're going to be doing is delivering value throughout the sequence of your autoresponder emails. So day 3, so basically it depends on what niche you're in, because like I mentioned, delivering value is different depending on what niche that you're in. So let's say day 1, you're in the health and wellness niche, health and fitness. So just deliver value, maybe share some healthy eating tips. So value, 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 and then buy. So you're going to be delivering value. Maybe give a call to action for somebody who's not yet purchased the product that you're promoting. Just let them know if you're interested in changing your life, maybe becoming healthier, losing weight. Click this link and it's going to refer them to the sales page of the product that you're promoting. You're going to do the same thing, deliver value day 2, deliver value on day 3, day 4, do the same thing, or maybe give them a call to action. Maybe you have a sale going on for 24 hours. If they want to take advantage of it, click this link and that's going to redirect them to the sales page. So that's basically the 4 tips that I wanted to share with you guys on how you can use affiliate marketing to sell products. And I also hope this cleared things up when it comes to things that you shouldn't do when you're using affiliate marketing to sell products online. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. Well, that's pretty much it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.